Are you looking to get your permit to carry concealed in the state of Florida? If so, this video will show you the step-by-step process on how to get your Florida concealed weapons license all in one place, right now. But before we get into the video, a quick reminder. We have a secret gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below for your free entry. Now let's get started. First of all, it's important that you know the gun and concealed carry laws in your home state and anywhere you carry. It's your responsibility to stay on the right side of the law. Now, in the state of Florida, this permit to carry is called a concealed weapons license, and it is issued to you at the state level by the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, the FDACS. Here are the steps you need to take to apply for your permit to carry in the state of Florida. Step 1. Complete a firearms training course and submit your certificate of completion. Florida law requires you to submit proof of competency with a firearm completed within 1 year of your application. A copy of a certificate of completion or similar document from any of the following courses or classes is acceptable. Hunter safety course that has been approved by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission or by a similar organization in another state. Any firearm safety course offered by a college, law enforcement agency, private or public institution with instructors that are certified by the NRA, Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, or Criminal Justice Training Commission. A firearms training course with a state-certified instructor, an NRA training course, a DD Form 214 or military orders for active duty or former members of the military, or documents from participation in an organized shooting competition. Training must include live fire in the physical presence of an instructor. Next, make an appointment to complete the online application at either an FDACS regional office or a tax collector's office. There is no need to complete an application in advance. If you are applying by mail, you will need to schedule an appointment at your local sheriff's office or police department to submit your fingerprints. Step 3. For in-person applications, you will need to go to your appointment. You will complete your application at a computer station, and you will need the following documents: a driver's license or state ID. If you have ever been arrested, you will need certified copies of the court documentation reflecting the final disposition of the charge or charges filed against you, and your training certificate. The staff will take your fingerprints and your photo. Out-of-state residents can submit electronic fingerprints or paper fingerprint cards completed by your local law enforcement agency. You will need to submit a passport-style photo and, of course, pay the fee. In certain counties, you may be required to take a psychological test to assess your moral character and judgment. Lastly, FDACS has 90 days after the receipt of a complete application to either issue a license or deny the application. Your permit is valid for 7 years from the date of issue. And there you have it, the 5 necessary steps for applying for your Florida concealed weapons license. From all of us at the USCCA, thank you for taking these necessary steps toward making your community a little bit safer. For additional details on fees, processing, and delivery timelines, the renewal process, and other requirements for applying for your permit, visit USCCA.com. I'm Kevin Michalowski. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
The information contained in this guide or video is provided as a service and does not constitute legal advice. USCCA makes no claims, representations, warranties, promises, or guarantees as to the accuracy, completeness, or adequacy of the information disclosed.